Annual rental available June 2018. Beautiful two-story single-family home located in Saturnia Lakes in North Naples. Enjoy a vast array of amenities which include a clubhouse with a grand ballroom, sports and billiard room, card room, dance studio, fitness center, arts and crafts center and an internet cafe, Har-Tru tennis courts, sandy beach basketball court, men's and women's facial massage rooms with locker rooms and saunas, winding walking jogging path throughout, a tot lot, fitness part and let's not forget the resort-style heated pool and spa. Currently tenant occupied until May 31, 2018. Pets allowed.